Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So the very first topic is arbitrary, red black tree. Arbitrary is called red black tree. Okay. So what is arbitrary? First, actually arbitrary is a type of binary search tree. Arbitrary is a self-balanced binary search tree. Okay, where every node follows following rules. So first of all, you should know what is binary search tree. What is binary search tree? Okay, so at every node, the nodes in the left subtree is smaller than the root, and nodes in the right subtree are the greater than the root. Okay, तो जो भी हमारे ना रूट, सपोज हमारे पास रूट है 5, तो जो इसके लेफ्ट में नोड होंगे वो हमेशा इससे कम होंगे नोड्स उससे रूट से, और जो हमेशा इसके राइट में होंगे तो हमेशा इससे बड़े होंगे, लाइक 6 and 7. ओके, 7 in the right side of 6. Okay, so it will follow the property of binary search tree. So it is called an BST. You can see example number 2, 5, 8, 9. Is it BST or not? Why? If it is not, then why? If it is BST,
For only first one and second one, third one.
what is second one?
Sir, it is not BST.
It is not because the left child is greater than the root. Okay, right child okay, but the left is greater than the root, so it is not a BST. BST properties हमारे में है वो हमेशा रूट के इक्वल भी हो सकते हैं, रूट के इक्वल और रूट से कम होने चाहिए, और जो राइट में नोड है तो वो रूट के इक्वल और रूट से बड़े होने चाहिए, देन वी कैन से दैट BST. Okay, so now here the third example is 4, 6, 8 and 9. It's not coming actually. In here it is 4, 6, 7 and 9. It is also BST because the right side nodes are greater than, so 4, right side 6, right side 7 and 9. Here it is 9. Then BST. Okay, it will follow the property of BST. Okay, so arbitrary, the very first condition is it should be BST. Okay, later I will check what are the rules of the arbitrary. Okay, so arbitrary balancing binary search tree where every node follows where every node follows following rules. Okay, so now I will see what are the rules. Correct? Any doubt here? Tell me. Is it clear? So now you can see that what is rules of. Okay, how can we make the arbitrary? The first rule is every node has a color, either red or black. Okay, every node has a color either red or black. ठीक है, तो जो आर्बिट्री में नोड होंगे उनका कलर या तो रेड होगा या फिर ब्लैक होगा. फाइन. सेकेंड इज रूट ऑफ ट्री इज ऑलवेज ब्लैक. ओके, सो जो हमारे पास है ना ट्री का रूट होगा वो हमेशा ब्लैक होगा. द रूट ऑफ ट्री इज ऑलवेज ब्लैक. थर्ड इज देयर आर नो टू एडजेसेंट रेड नोड, मीन्स इफ ए इज रेड नोड cannot have a red parent or red child. Suppose here it's also red, parent is also red, child is also red. So it is not an arbitrary because it will not follow the property number third. Here are two red node which are adjacent, which are neighbors. So it will not be arbitrary. But here you can see that root is black, child is red and red. Here the two red node are not the adjacent. Okay, so I can say that it is an arbitrary because it will follow the property number 1, 2 and 3 like that. So the fourth is black children rule. The children of each red node are always black. Okay, if suppose it is the red node, if suppose I will write here red node, so it will not a arbitrary because here are two red node which are adjacent. So the red node children should be always black. Is it clear? Any doubt? Tell me, yes or no? बोलो कुछ.
Yes, sir. Clear.
हाँ, so every node has a color either red or black. Root of tree is always black. There are no two adjacent red node. Okay, here there are two adjacent, so it is not an arbitrary. Here it is black node and the black node child should always be red. Okay, the children of each red node are always black. Okay, so the fourth is important, black height rule. What is black height rule? You can see that for each node V there exists an, page number 3, there exists an integer BH of V. BH means black height of V node, such that each downward path from V to a nil node has exactly BHV black real nodes. Means every path from a node, including root node also, to any of its nil nodes has the same number of black nodes. It is called a black height. We define the black height of a to be the black height of its root. Okay, so now you will see that 7, that is the root node, always black. 3 and the nil node. Okay, nil node should always be black. Nil node, here it is 18. What the property of red node? The children should always be black. So 10 and 20, 8, 11. Here nil node. So first of all I have to check that it is an BST. If it is an BST, then I will go ahead. It is an BST because 3 is less than 7 and 18, 10, 22, 8, 11, all are element greater than the 7. So it is called an BST. And 10, 8 is okay. So it is BST. Then now I will check the rules of arbitrary. The root node is okay. Here the nil node. I will take the nil node always be black. It is a rule. Nil nodes should be black. Okay. Here then 18 red node children should all. Okay, here so 10 and the 20. Okay, you can see that. So now nil is considered to be black. Then now in the discuss the height of a node and the black height of a node. Please listen the carefully. It is very important. Height of a arbitrary. So height. What do you mean by height of a node? Height means if we want to find the height from a node, then from that node and to the leaf node, number of edges, okay, and the longest path we have to follow. So height x is a node, height of x is number of edges in a longest path to leaf node. So number of edges from the node x, we have to take longest path to a leaf node, it is called an height. Now next let example, then I will discuss each thing. So as of now, just you can see that number of edges in a longest path to a leaf from node x, it is called an height of x. So black height of a node x, I can write bhx. Okay, black height of x node, bhx node is equal to number of black nodes including nil on the path from x to leaf, not the counting x. Okay, so not counting x. It is means if suppose I want to find the black height of a node from x, so from that node I will check the number of black node, okay, on the path from x to leaf, x to nil node, but I will not count the x. Okay, if suppose x is black, so I will not consider that. Now later I will check, later you can see that. So the black height of a arbitrary is a black height of its root. Okay, so now it is 3, 7, 3, 18, 10, 10 and 22, 8, 11, 8, 11 and 26. It is a BST. Okay, it's also follow the property of arbitrary. You can see that it's a BST and it will also follow the property of arbitrary. So now I will have to find out the height and black height. Okay, so suppose first of all I want to find the height of root node. Root node is 7. I want to find the height of 7. So now you have to check that maximum possible path, and you have to count number of edge like that. Edge means connecting two nodes, it is called an edge. Okay, so here you have to find the longest path from that node to the nil node. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, you can take any path. Here 1, 2. Okay, here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here also 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so height of a tree, you have to take the longest path from that node to the leaf node. So height of a tree is 4. Is it clear? First of all, I will discuss the height. Height of a tree is 4. Now you can check the height of 3. Only one node. So number of edges, that is 1. Okay. So height of 3 is 1. Now 18. You have to take the longest path. So 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. All are same. So height of 18 is, that is 3. So now height of 10. Height of 10 is 1 and 2. 2 height of 8. That is 1 height of 11. That is 1 height of 22. So 1 and 2, 2 height of 2, 6. That is 1. Okay, is it clear? Height of the root, height of the node, it is clear? Tell me. Then I will discuss the black height. Tell me, is it clear? Height of a node, is it clear to? ठीक, सिंपल है. जैसे भी हमको हाइट ये निकालना है ना, तो जो नील नोड तक का मैक्सिमम पाथ काउंट कर लेते हैं बस. मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ एज टू द टिल द नील नोड. सो here साथ में देखो, यहाँ पे जा रहा है 1, 2, 3 एंड 4. यहाँ पे 1, 2, 3 एंड 4. ओके, सो इसका हाइट हो गया. ठीक है, इसका हाइट ऐसे ही, इसमें सिर्फ एक ही नोड है तो इसका हाइट 1 एंड सो ऑन. यू कैन फाइंड द, that is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So height of 18 is 3. You have to see the how can we find the black height. Black height is important. First, you have to see the definition of the black height. Number of black nodes including nil path from X to leaf, not counting X. Okay. Remember the definition. Then only you can find the black height of a tree. Suppose I want to find a 7 node. So black height. If I will go to the but I will not count the X. Okay, because not count. Okay. So if I want to count the black, so I will not count the X from X. Okay. So you can see that in the left 3 also black and nil. Nil node should be considered as a black node. 1 and 2 here also 1 and 2. So black height is 2. Okay. Here you can also see that 10 and 2 black height, that is 2. Here 2 and 1, that is also 2. So the height of the black height of the root node to the any path. Okay, you can see that. Okay, so the black height of the tree or means black height of the root node. If suppose we will consider any, you can consider any path, that is left side and the right side. So you will get the same number of black nodes, that is called black height. If suppose I will go to the left side, so 3 it's also black and the nil also black, so number of black is 2. If suppose you will go to the right side, 10 and the nil also black nodes, that is 2. If suppose I will go there and 22 and the nil, that is also black, that is 2 height. Okay, so the black height of the 7 node is 2. Clear? Now I want to find the black height of 3. Number of nodes, that is 1. Nil node that is 1, because I will not count the 3. Okay, in the definition, not counting X. Okay, so if suppose I want to find the black height of a 3, I will not count 3. Remaining is only nil node, that is 1 and 1, so 1. Okay, now 18 that is 1 and 2. Okay, here also can take 1 and 2, here also 1 and 2. Okay, that is same. Black height is 2. Here now black height is, that is nil node, only 1. Black height is only 1. Black height is only 1. Is it clear? Black height, is it clear to all? How can we find the black height of a node? Tell me.
No sir.
देखो डेफिनेशन, देखो इसमें क्या है. डेफिनेशन में ब्लैक हाइट हमें निकालना है नंबर ऑफ ब्लैक नोड्स इंक्लूडिंग नील नोड्स ऑन द पाथ फ्रॉम एक्स टू लीफ बट नॉट काउंटिंग एक्स. सो हमको निकालना है 7 का ब्लैक हाइट कितना होगा, 7 का. तो इसमें देखो 7 के लेफ्ट में क्या है, दैट इज 3, ऑल्सो ब्लैक है, ब्लैक नोड. और हमको पता है ये जो है ना नील है, नील नोड वी शुड कंसिडर एज ए ब्लैक नोड. सो 1 and 2, that is 2. If suppose you want to go in the right side, so 10 black hai, 18 is red, so I will not count in the black height because 18 is red. In the black height means I have to count only black nodes. So 10 black hai or 8 and 11, these are red nodes, so I will not count again. So 10 and the nil should be black. Nil is always black, so I will count. So 1 and 2 height. If suppose I will come here, then 1 and 2 same. If I will go here, then 1 and 2 both are same. If suppose I will go to this path, right side, so here 1 node black node and the nil node, that is 2. Okay, if suppose you want to find the black height of a 18 node, okay, so 10 black node, 8 and 11 I will not count because it is red node. Okay, so only nil I will count, that is 10 black plus nil, 1 plus 1, that is 2. So black height of is 2. If suppose you want to go here, then first is 2 2, that is black plus 1, and nil is also black. So that is 2 height. Okay, you can see that. Now I can find the relation black height of h black. Now you can see that black height is 2, height is 4. Black height is 1, height is 1. Black height is 2, height is 3. Black height is 1, height is 2. Black height is 1, height is 1. Black height 1, 1. So black height can be same or less than to the height of a node. Black height bhx. Black height of x is should be less than or equal to, because here 1 1 same, but here 2 and 4. Okay, so black height of h is less than is equal to height of x, but height of x is less than equal to 2 into bhx. Okay, 2 into bhx. Fine. Is it clear, this relation? Is it okay? Bhx less than equal to height of x less than equal to 2 into bhx. Okay, so now I will go ahead. Fifth is very important. So now you have to prove, if suppose let T be an arbitrary having n number of nodes, has height less than equal to or at most 2 into log base 2 n plus 1. Okay, you have to prove that if let be an arbitrary having n nodes, has height less than equal to 2 into log base 2 in the bracket n plus 1. You have to prove. So first of all, we have to show first that subtree rooted at any node x contains at least 2 raised to the power bhx minus 1 internal nodes. Okay, you have to remember this point. We first show that subtree rooted at any nodes x contains at least 2 raised to the power bhx minus 1 internal nodes. Okay, these things I will prove by using induction method. Induction method is from the basic I will go. Okay, so these things I will prove by the induction method. Now suppose x is a leaf node, that is nil node. I can say that if suppose x is a leaf node, okay, then height of h is 0, because no edge from the leaf node to the any node. Height of h is 0 and BH of x is always 0, because I will not count the x. Okay, so if x is a leaf node, if x is a leaf node or nil node, I can say, then height of 0 and bhx, black height of x is 0. Okay, so now number of internal nodes, that is equal to 2 to the power bhx minus 1. Bhx is 0. Okay, number of internal nodes in the case of if I have only one axis leaf node. That number of internal nodes should be 0. Okay, so number of internal nodes to the power bhx minus 1. Bhx is 0, to the power 0 minus 1, that is 1 minus 1 0. So it has been proved that subtree at any node x contains at least 2 to the power bhx minus 1 internal nodes. Okay, so I have been proved by using induction method if x is a only single node leaf node. Okay, so leaf node cannot be never internal nodes. So here if x is leaf node, then number of internal node should be 0. Then height of x is 0, height of bhx is 0. Okay, then number of internal nodes, 2 raised to the power bhx minus 1, 2 raised to the power 0 minus 1, that is 1 minus 1 0. Okay, so now we have to see that let h be the height of t, let v naught v1 vh VH plus 1 be an arbitrary length h downwards path from the root to a nil. Okay. In the next page, I will discuss where V node is the root node. You know that root node should always be black node, and VH is the leaf. VH plus 1 is the nil node, should be black. Okay. So we can say that number of red node is at most n by 2. Okay, it is h. So we can say that number of red node is at most h by 2. Whatever height is there, suppose height is 4. Okay, so number of red node is at most h by 2 in the tree. Okay, that means number of black nodes among V node, V1, Vn is at least h minus h by 2. That is h by 2. Okay, number of black node is nothing but black height of h, black height and x is a node, so is less than equal to at least h by 2. Okay, is at least h by 2 number of black node in the tree if any arbitrary is less than equal to h by 2. Okay, so now you know that number of internal nodes or the number of nodes both are same. Number of nodes less than equal to 2 to the power bhx minus 1. Okay, you have seen that in the page number 5, and we have also proved that by induction method. Number of nodes number of nodes greater than equal to 2 raised to the power bhx minus 1. Okay, now bhx is h by 2, so n greater than equal to 2 raised to the power h by 2 minus 1. Now 1 will go here in the left hand side, so n plus 1 greater than equal to 2 raised to the power h by 2. Okay, so now take log base 2 for both side. Okay, so log base 2 n plus 1 greater than equal to, now h by 2 will come in the front, so h by 2 log base 2 log base 2, that is 1. Okay, so height is at most or less than equal to, so height is less than equal to 2 into log base 2 n plus 1. It is proved. Okay, it has been proved. Clear? So you have to remember this one point. We first show the subtree rooted at any node x contains at least. Okay, so the number of nodes contains at least 2 to the power bh minus 1 internal nodes. Okay, then you can prove that. You can see that इजी है, इसमें कुछ इजी है मतलब कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें. ठीक है, तो जो हमारे पास है ना आर्बिट्री में नंबर ऑफ रेड नोट्स होगा वो एट मोस्ट h by 2 होगा. सो इसलिए we can find the black node also at least h minus h by 2. Suppose h is total number of nodes, h is h minus h by 2, then we can prove that by taking log and all. We can prove that. ठीक है, समझ गए सब. सो फिर हम कल आगे देखते हैं कि इसके ऑपरेशन क्या क्या है. सपोज इंसर्शन, डिलीशन, हाउ कैन वी इंसर्ट द नोड इन द आर्बिट्री. क्या
एक बार दोबारा बता दो.
ओके, actually let t be an arbitrary having n nodes has height. You have to prove if suppose हमारे पास t को arbitrary है, उसमें n number of nodes है, तो उसकी हाइट हमेशा लेस देन इक्वल टू 2 इंटू लॉग बेस 2 n प्लस 1 होगी. ओके, सो हमको प्रूफ करना है ये. इफ सपोज हमारे पास नंबर ऑफ नोड्स n है in the arbitrary, so उसमें at least 2 की पावर bh x minus 1 nodes होने चाहिए उसके अंदर. Okay. If at any node x contains at least 2 raised to the power bhx means black height of x minus 1 internal nodes. Okay. If suppose x is a leaf node or nil node, then the height of x is 0 and black height of x is always 0. Then the number of internal nodes 2 raised to the power bhx minus 1, 2 raised to the power 0 minus 1, that is 0. Prove that if let h be the height of t, let v0 v1 and so on. If suppose v0 is the root node, that is black node, and vh is the leaf node, vh plus is the nil node, that is black. So we can say that number of red node is at most h by 2. Okay. If suppose height is 6, so उसमें हमारे पास at most तीन तो होने चाहिए red node. Then if suppose we got the red node, so we can find the number of black node. That means number of black node among v0 and so on is at least h minus h by 2, that is h by 2. You know the property n greater than equal to number of nodes greater than equal to 2 raised to the power bhx minus 1. Okay. Now bhx is black height of x less than equal to h by 2. Now n at least 2 raised to the power h by 2 minus 1. So the minus 1 will go on the left side. N plus 1 greater than equal to 2 raised to the power h by 2. Now take log base 2 for the both side. Okay. So now log base 2 n plus 1 greater than equal to h by 2 log base 2, that is 1. So now height is less than equal to 2 into log base 2 n plus 1. You have to remember this. This is a formula. This is a height. If arbitrary has n number of nodes, so height is less than equal to 2 into log base 2 n plus 1. Is it clear? So now then I will stop here.